name is Araceli Guzman Benitez. I am the Community Engagement Constituent Services Officer and with the City of New Carrollton. To the City of New Carrollton and to myself, it was important to support the program with B-Roll Media, sort of to expand more activities for the youth of the community in New Carrollton.
My name is Linda Lawson. I'm an instructor with B-Roll Media and Arts. I'm teaching a class of young adults, teenagers, the fundamentals of video production.
I encourage all community members to allow their kids to take a class or two. It's something that is outside the school hours sometimes, but it's something that the kids can benefit and make it a hobby, make it something that they can continue to be creative after taking one class.
B-Roll Media is offering a unique opportunity for students to get exposed to these highly technical skills that could lead to a paying career, and they're offering this for free.
It takes you to a different level of art.